Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So there's two ways that we can factory reset our Roomba here. The first way involves physical buttons. The second way involves software using the iRobot app. So first, let's go over the physical way. So kind of unique, but pretty cool. We got to remove the dustbin. So take the dustbin off. Take it out of the Roomba, just set it off to the side. Now we got to hold down the clean button for around 7 seconds, and then we should hear a chime. All right, we got a tone and a little chime right there. Now we got to press it one more time to confirm. All right, we got another chime there. And now we're factory resetting our Roomba. Let's give it a couple of minutes. I know that it's working, we're making progress because now the Roomba is showing us offline within our iRobot app. And we just got a chime on our Roomba right there, and now the light is solid. That brings us to our second way to factory reset. That's going to be using the iRobot app. We need to scroll down to our product settings here, and we have the first option up there about our Roomba. We're going to select that. We go to the very bottom, remove device from account, and this is where we can factory reset it right there. Hit factory reset. We have a chime here. Give it about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, give or take a little bit there, and it will be factory reset as well. We have a prompt in the app after a couple of seconds that said it has been factory reset to factory settings. Very simple and straightforward. Now you have factory reset your Roomba Combo 10 Max.